Right, so the ingredients are whipping cream, cream cheese, I use Philadelphia, unsalted butter, icing sugar. This is like the star. Amazing. This is Biscoff butter. It's, oh my god, the last jar I bought, we all finished it with a spoon. Very unhealthy, very addictive. And then I got some of these actual Lotus biscuits. So this is the actual Lotus biscuit. I've taken most of this packet here and crumbled it. So this is going to be our base. I've melted the butter here. We're going to tip this into our crumb mixture. Okay, so now we're going to put most of our crumb mixture into this tin. You want to keep a little bit for decoration. I've put some baking paper in. And you just want to flatten it. That looks so yum already. Is your mouth watering? So I'm just pushing the crust down. Don't need. Okay, make sure you get all the edges with a spoon. It's supposed to look something like this. Okay, I'm putting ice in a bowl to make our whipped cream. Because it starts off with liquid, you want it to be really cold so it can like it'll like create soft peaks. If it's warm, then it'll just be all like droopy and stuff. Okay, so I'm going to measure 237 ml of whipping cream. 237. Put it in our chilled bowl. It is quite cold now. But I'm gonna whisk this till it gets soft peaks. Now we want 260 grams of, mind the makeup in the background. Can you see it?
Yeah.
We want 260 grams of Biscoff spread. Then 75 grams of icing sugar. In a bowl, we're gonna put our icing sugar, I think it's 350 grams of cream cheese and our Lotus Biscoff butter. Okay, so now our whipped cream curdled a little bit because I basically left my brother just whipping away whilst I was measuring the other stuff.
I didn't know what I was doing.
So we're just gonna do with what we got. It's not that much curdled. I mean, we've gone past the peaks. Okay, so now you want to fold this in and not get rid of too much of the air from the whipped cream. My arm hurts already.
That's so good.
I know.
What the hell?
And it actually has that taste of a cheesecake, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Like, can you see how this is like keeping its structure? Like, that's how you want it to be. I mean, I don't know if I was meant to whisk the whipped cream that much, but it seems to be working. Okay, so now you want to put your cream cheese. Make sure your mixture is onto your base. Isn't this so satisfying? I feel like that's why we're both quiet. Okay, I'm just going to freeze this quickly before we put our Biscoff spread on top. I've melted some Biscoff. This can be the fun part, but also the stressful part. It's like, this is my favourite bit to watch when I'm watching baking videos. It's because I'm not doing it. Then the rest just goes on the top. A spoon. Hopefully we can get a really thin layer. Oh, my live flash. Is there like stuff on my face? Oh, my hand's shaking from that. Alright guys, I'm now going to put this in the fridge, or a bit in the freezer as well to freeze, because it's like drooping in some bits, and then we're going to try it later on. This is what it